e-Awas. In this video, we are going to see about e-Awas. The capital of Indian Republic, a major city, main administrative center of central government Delhi. Delhi, where lack of central and state government employees render their services to make welfare schemes and programs for the people of India. It is necessary to provide the basic requirements to these government employees so that they perform efficiently. Apart from other services, the government has the responsibility to provide residential accommodation to its eligible employees. The responsibilities to provide accommodation to its employees lies with the Directorate of Estates (DOE), working under Ministry of Urban Development. If we talk about India, Government of India owns around 90,000 residential units of various types. These are provided to officials ranging from distinguished people of government to a common government servant through Directorate of Estates. Actually, DOE receives approximately 2 lakh applications annually for various types of residential units. Under GPRA scheme, various types of residential units were allotted through a set of procedure under which applicants had to apply on DE2 form to the DOE. According to the information furnished by eligible applicants in this form, DOE prepares a waiting list and forward it to the concerned allocation section. The allotment section then prepares a vacancy register based on residential vacancies provided by CPWD, which undertakes the task of maintenance of these units. Department would then categorize residential vacancies in various pools, that is, general pool, ladies pool, tenure pool. After preparing vacancy register and waiting list, the DOE allots these residential units on the basis of seniority of applicants in the pool and waiting list. The procedure had numerous loopholes. Plenty of time and manpower was required for preparing waiting list and vacancy register for allocating residential units as per the said procedure. There was lack of transparency in the system, which led up to high possibility of indulgence of unfair practices and corruption. DOE was aware of the difficulties faced by government servants. Therefore, it made major efforts to overcome such hurdles. The establishment of Information Facilitation Center in the year 1997 was one such step. Although the system of allotment year was already being implemented, but for the first time DOE worked on the new format of allotment year that included 2 years. The information available in DE2 form was computerized according to the rules of waiting list on the basis of types and pools. But still, the allotment of residential units was done manually. Although the Directorate started this system as a reform, But its biggest drawback was that the computer-generated waiting list was left of no use after the expiry of allotment year. After not getting expected results from the system, DOE required a transparent and corruption-free system which emerged in the form of e-governance. The directories used information technology and past experience to start a new system that was completely on e-governance. It was named e-Awas. This ambitious program named e-Awas was presented in 2003. Under this program, the complete process from application to allotment was computerized. Although this was an innovative step in making the procedure of allotment easy, but the full benefits of the system could not be reaped because the system was offline. This offline system was used only within the DOE. However, this system would have been successful only if could be used by all the applicants. To make e-Awas successful, it was necessary to make it online. For this, DOE took the cooperation of country's premier e-governance organization, National Informatics Center (NIC). Although NIC had already prepared the offline module, but to make it online, NIC developed special computer software through its excellence as per the requirements of DOE. NIC designed it in-house. Through this software, DOE took an important step in making e-Awas online. And in 2007, the process of recovery of license fees from allottees was made online. After the success of online license fees recovery, DOE expanded this system and conducted special training programs for its headquarters DDOs of concerned regional offices and their staff. In 2010, DOE gave a new direction to e-Awas. Allotment process of type 4S to 6A was made completely online. Later lower types and 6B were also included in it. During April 2012, all types were made online in Delhi, and in regional offices also it was made online. After the implementation of the online allotment systems, all the applicants can now apply only online. It can be easily concluded from the merits of this online allotment process that this system completely facilitates the employees as it is very easy to use. Applicants can access this system from anywhere by using their login ID. e-Awas has increased efficiency of DOE and has established its direct contact with the government servants. Earlier, the allotment procedure was too lengthy, but now it takes minimal time. Today, e-Awas has proved to be a bond between the DOE and lack of people desiring government accommodation. Through this directorate entered the traditional system of block allotment year and implemented the new scheme of rolling allotment year, in which the applicants can apply round the year. This has reduced the problem of illegal possession of quarters, as a result of which the process of allotment of residential units has geared up. e-Awas has benefited both its users and the government as it generates revenue in time. Earlier, more than 600 employees were required to complete the process of allotment. But today, less than 300 employees complete the allotment procedure successfully. There has been tremendous hike in the occupancy rate of government accommodations through the automated system of allotment. Now, DOE can also maintain inventory record of its housing stock through the system. The vacancy register prepared by CPWD is also included in this online module. Earlier, it was prepared manually by its employees. Some government and private organizations have expressed their interest in implementing this system after witnessing the success of e-Awas. E-Awas program's automated system of allotment technique has proved to be a milestone in the area of re-engineering, whose tremendous results are in front of us. This system has set an example of transparency and exponentially increased the efficiency of DOE. Combining its previous experiences with the view of applicants, DOE has taken this program to such height that e-Awas has been awarded with Bronze Award in 15th National E-Governance Conference for its incredible contribution in the area of re-engineering in the year 2011 to 2012. Today, the Government Accommodation Management System GAMS has proved to be a paradigm of success that makes a hassle-free path for its commuters to enable them to reach their destinations.